Hello, I'd like to introduce you to a mindfulness practice called the 3-minute breathing space. The 3-minute breathing space is just that. It takes 3 minutes and can be used when you're on the go. You can have it in your hip pocket, so to speak. It can be used when you're confronting difficult or unpleasant situations. So before we start the practice, I'd like you to think about an hourglass. An hourglass is open wide at the top, it narrows in the middle, and then it opens again at the bottom. And the 3-minute breathing space does just that. You open your awareness for the first minute, you bring it in the second minute, and you open it again in the third minute. So if you are watching me, which hopefully you are not, but maybe you will for the first or second time, you will notice that I will be looking down at my watch to make sure that I am keeping time for this practice, because it really is just 3 minutes. So before we start, I'd like you to just find a position where you will be undisturbed. So for step 1, bring yourself into the present moment, finding a dignified and erect posture. If possible, close your eyes. If not, closing your eyes, just soften your gaze. And then ask yourself, what is your experience right now? What are your thoughts? What are your physical sensations? And what are your emotions? What are your thoughts? What are your physical sensations? And what are your emotions? Acknowledge them, even if they are unwanted or unpleasant. Thoughts, physical sensations, and emotions, even if they are unwanted or unpleasant. Now for step 2 of the breathing space, gently gather your full attention to breathing, to each in-breath and to each out-breath as they follow one after another, following the breath all the way in and all the way out. This breath, your breath, can function as an anchor to bring you to the present moment, helping you tune in to a state of awareness and a state of stillness. Breathing in and breathing out, finding the anchor that is the breath over and over again. Returning to the breath directly, again and again. And now for the third step, expanding your field of awareness around your breath to include the body as a whole, including your posture and your facial expression. Breathing and including your whole field of awareness and experience, including your thoughts, your feelings, your emotions, your body as a whole, your posture, your facial expression. So breathing along with everything else that you are experiencing in this moment. The breathing space provides a way to step out of automatic pilot and experience the present moment. Now you may open your eyes or redirect your gaze. And that was the 3-minute breathing space. You can practice it a few times before you use it. Just be curious about it. There's no such thing as failing or being a bad 3-minute breathing space doer. So I would suggest practicing a few minutes, being curious about it, and seeing if it can be helpful to you. Thank you.